Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So please don't mind my super cruddy 4th of July makeup. It looked cute at first. So it is like 93 degrees today and I am dying because we don't have air conditioner in all the rooms. And yeah, I'm dying. So today's video is a very long-awaited, long-anticipated video that I'm really excited about. So far this year, 2018, my most viewed, most popular video was my DIY hair transformation. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it below, but I went from like a really brassy yellowy blonde to a really nice, beautiful shade of toned ashy blonde, and I did that by myself at home. Today I am going to be using Wella again, thank goodness, because I love Wella. I'm going to be trying the Cooling Violet hair color. It's going to give me a more dramatic, like silver purple. Oh. So just like the last time, I have two of the liquid hair colors. You can go ahead and see it. It's shade 050 and it's called Cooling Violet. And I also have two of the 20 volume cream developers. Basically, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the color and see what happens. I'm going from a pale bleachish blonde, you know, some yellow-ishness in there. I will give you a full before. I'm hoping to get like a pretty purplish silver shade from this, and I'm really excited. So I finished with the first mix. I'm going to move on to the second box. I did do the majority of my hair. I pretty much just have this little ponytail. So I am a mess, but I finished applying it. It's a lot darker looking than I thought it was going to be, but I'm going to leave it on for about a half hour.